Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and this is going to be a different video because in this video we're going to show you, let the car start up a bit. There, I got a puncture in my tire, so we're going to check that out and let's see if we can fix this. Now I said in the title there's on the go because there are some stuff you're gonna need which you can carry with you, which I do in cases like this. This is the first thing. This is a tire repair kit. These are pretty cheap. Most of these are just 20 to 30 euros. A 12-volt air pump which you can just plug in the car and which gives you the ability to pump the tire back to its original pressure. So yeah, let's see what we can do. Okay, so we found it here. It's a pretty big screw. I already saw it, so took a screwdriver with me. Now there's another thing you're gonna need, which is this, a lighter. I'm not sure if this is necessary, but I use this when fixing my tires. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that you can only fix the tire with the tire repair kit if the damage is on this side of the tire, so the side you're driving on. If the puncture is on this side, so the sidewall, you cannot fix it, and the only way to fix it is to get a new tire, unfortunately. But yeah, since you're driving on this side, most of the punctures will be on this side. So before I'm gonna screw it out, yeah, I can screw it out, is we're gonna grab the kit. This is a pop. We're gonna put this through this thing, like just squeeze it and push it through. And then if it's through, just pull it through like this, like that. Pretty easy. We're now gonna screw it out. Ooh, that is a big screw, damn it. Can already hear some air. Ooh, there you go. Put this baby in. Just screw it in like this. Not a perfect seal, but now what I do is twist this a bit. Make sure it's in the middle. Twist it like this. There are more methods, but I like this method. Now, grab your glue and put that on the whole thing, like this. The glue is what's gonna give us the seal, so like that. Pull it out and then pull this thing like that. It's gonna be tough. That's okay. Just let that sit for a moment. And then correct. Ooh. Like that. A bit messy, if I say it myself. Okay, now there's a knife with the kit, which you can cut any surplus bulb like that. Let's cut this off. Like I said, you need a lighter. Light it up. Turn the car on, and then turn the pump on, and then you should be good to go. So I'm gonna try that out, pump it up to about, let's say, 35 psi, 36 maybe, and then I'm gonna see what it does. So let's go. Okay, so we're back in the car. The job is done, and I got the bad boy here. Here it is. Just a big screw. Now we're almost done, because when we start the car doesn't know that. There you go. The car doesn't know that we have re-inflated the tire. So if you have checked all 4 tires, we can reset the system. Now with the Golf, we can do that pretty easily. We can just here, tire pressure, and reset. Now, I want to tell you that you have to make sure that all the 4 tires are the prescribed pressure before resetting. I have checked the rest of my tires, not just the one that was punctured. So before resetting, what this does is it will reset the system thinking it has the correct values into the tires. And if you lose approximately 10% of your pressure, it will give you the tire light. So now I've checked all my 4 tires, they're correctly set, and we can, yeah, it's gonna ask you again the same, all 4 tires match the prescribed value, yes, confirmed. And now the tire pressure is set, and the warning light is gone. So yeah, so some people have told me, like, okay, a tire repair kit like this, it's dangerous, you shouldn't be doing this. Well, about 10 years ago, 5 years ago, I don't care, I don't know, people were doing this all the time, and I have even done this to my motorcycle. People would say that's irresponsible, but I've done it to all of my cars, all of my motorcycles, because hey, you can, even if the tire is new, you can run through a nail, and it's just gonna suck if you're gonna have to buy a brand new tire. A lot of people that I know have done this before, so with great success. So yeah, if you just do it the right way, just use the glue and the lighter afterwards, yeah, you really cannot go wrong. Just yeah, just do it that way. Okay, if this video was helpful, please like, subscribe, and I'm gonna see you around in my next video. Thanks.